Hello and welcome. If you are really serious about your cloud and DevOps career, watch this video. Otherwise, go to Facebook, watch Reels and enjoy yourself. It will give you enjoyment for a while, but not for lifetime, because if you don't have career, there is no enjoyment at all.
Hello folks, there is one important message for you. We recently completed RDS and we believe in hands-on experience. To do all the practicals of RDS live, we arrange one live session with our expert Bhavesh Atara this Sunday. It means 15th December 2024 at 11 am IST. To join RDS Super Lab, link is in the description. For any queries, you can contact me on my number. Keep learning.
There are many people who are saying that you cannot make your cloud or DevOps career by watching YouTube videos. They are absolutely wrong. You can watch our AWS series. We have more than 250 videos already uploaded there, and just find out how we are actually providing you in-depth training related to AWS, which will help you to pass AWS Solution Architect exam or SysOps exam. So, it is possible to learn through the YouTube and become cloud and DevOps expert. Now, after cloud, what is your next goal to learn? We understand that definitely you will go for the DevOps. And that's why we have added new series of Git and GitLab. We are uploading one video for Git and GitLab every Friday. So, right now, Monday to Thursday, we are uploading 4 videos, one video every day for AWS. Every Friday, we have video for Git and GitLab. Now, 2 days left. We want to give you daily dose of learning. And that's why now we are going to introduce new series from this Saturday. So now onwards, every Saturday and Sunday, we are going to add 2 videos related to Docker for DevOps engineers. Here, I have a detailed TOC of our course, and look at this. I'm not going to read everything, but look at this, what we are going to cover in this particular series. Here we have 16 milestones, which is covering everything related to Docker. After completing this 16 milestone, we have 2 projects as well. So this series will provide you hands-on understanding of Docker, and this will help you to understand Kubernetes in the future, or if you are going to learn cloud services like Elastic Container Service or Elastic Kubernetes Service, this will help you for sure. And I am giving you guarantee. You can download the link from the description. This is the content, and you will never ever get this kind of detailed TOC in anywhere in the YouTube. Even if you are going for the paid course, if you are paying millions of rupees to them as well, they will not provide you this kind of TOC for sure. I hope you will enjoy our Docker series for sure. And yes, last request. I already provided you link of our AWS playlist, also provided link for a Git and GitLab training. Watch some videos over there. If you find out that these videos are valuable for you, it is worth to watch this video, please come back and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Only subscribe this if you find out that all these things are valuable to you. Otherwise, no need to worry. No need to subscribe this as well. But yes, if you find out this, please subscribe, because we need this. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.